So I got my Landpride 0660 Grapple. I love this thing. Uh, I put it through a lot of work, but I've got to replace that, um, the clevis. I guess it's a clevis. Anyway, it's rounded out. I don't know how well you can see it, but I'll show you when I get them off. I've got new ones to put on there. It just, all the grabbing and pulling and tugging with this grapple, I wore down. I kind of made them in oval shape. That one doesn't look as bad, but I'll show them to you when I get them off. I looked on YouTube to try to find a video on how to replace the rod clevis, and I couldn't find one. So, well, who knows? Maybe this will be the first one to help some people out. First, I'm going to work on taking the pins off, and we'll go from there. So, let me set you down over here, get you a bird's eye view. See if I can do it without tipping the camera over. It's my phone. I'm using the phone for my video, and it doesn't help to put you on a cushion. So let's try this. All right, it'll kind of give you the gist of it, I think. When in doubt, give it some love. Take the glasses off so you can see better. Oh, that's what I was trying to take off. Pop this through. I'm going to do one at a time, but let me get you over here and you can see what I'm working with. See how that has elongated? Get you a good view here. It's no longer a good circle. It's elongated on both sides. In fact, you can see on this side, maybe you can see that better over here, how it's worn and that metal is very thin there. And on the new ones, you'll see quite a difference. Hard to do things with one hand. Let me set you down. All right. That's how they're supposed to look. Nice and round, thick metal, and that's not what I got going on. So I've got to take the little keeper pin out of the old one and make some changes here, flip these around. So that's what I'm going to be working on. There, let me put you on a different tripod. Okay, that's a lot more stable. Seems like you never keep the stripes clean. There we go. Can you see that? I don't know if I'm holding, I can't see the camera, so I'm not sure what you're seeing there. But anyway, that's what had to come out. So we're going to set that down and see how easy this comes off. Of course, it's not going to be easy. The whole rod turns. Now, this is the gasket's supposed to be down there. So, find a nice cheaper bar to do that a few things, hopefully. I think if I tried to just use a screwdriver, it wouldn't work out that well. See, this whole thing is going to turn. So how do I hold that? See, the keeper, I guess it worked, but hit it with some WD-40, see if it does anything. I always think of it after I've got my hands dirty, but I have a box of gloves over there, disposable gloves, that I could have put on first to try to keep a little clean, but hey, you know, smart. Figure out how I can grip this without damaging the rod. Hi, Charlie. Charlie says pay someone to do it. I don't have that kind of money. That's why there's such thing as do it yourself. Get a little spray in there. Use it that way. If I could figure out a way to give this a good tight grip and put a vise on it, would I still damage it? What do you think? I wish I could get your answer now. By the time you see this, I will have already done something, and hopefully it's not bad. All right. I doubt this is going to work. I'll go as far up to the top as I can. See if that's going to do anything for me.